Hello witches, wizards, and those who are yet to receive their Hogwarts school letters, welcome back to my Harry Potter kitchen. Today we have another special recap video for you because we have just hit 40 recipes from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. I hope you've enjoyed the foodie journey so far, but we still got plenty more to come. So if you don't want to miss any of those, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, then you'll get an alert every Magic Monday when there's a brand new recipe. As part of our new recaps, I'm also announcing our donations, which we're making regularly as part of my Patronus fund to use all of the joy and happiness from these recipes to combat hatred in the world. As well as donating the entirety of my first YouTube ad revenue payment to Mermaids, the UK charity that supports gender diverse children and their families. This month I'm also donating £50 to the Trevor Project. They are the American 24-hour confidential suicide prevention hotline for LGBTQ youth. If you'd like to find out more about these charities or nominate another trans charity to receive an upcoming donation, then head on over to bradleybakes.co.uk/Patronus Fund for all the details. If you'd like to find out more about the Patronus Fund or choose a charity that you'd like us to donate to, then you can head on over to my website, the link will be down below, to nominate your favourite charity. We do still have plenty more recipes, that means there's more recaps and donations on the way, but before we get there, you need a chance to catch up. So here are the highlights from the last 10 episodes. Episode 31 was for the British classic dinner dish, shepherd's pie. I served up this lamb ragout including so many healthy vegetables and then topped it off with freshly made mashed potato in 2 varieties. Of course it's my Harry Potter kitchen, so we used our sweet potatoes to decorate a lightning bolt on top. Episode 32 was for PepperUp Potion, which is a magical drink that should make you feel better and has a bit of a kick to it. So I served up some natural muggle magic with our garlic, honey and ginger based drink. This is packed full of anti-inflammatories and vitamins that really will make you feel better. So if you're feeling under the weather, this is one for you. For episode 33, we had fried fish, and there's only one dish that us Brits can serve up. We made a traditional fish and chips recipe with a Harry Potter twist. Lightning bolt triple cooked chips, minted peas, and beer battered cod. Dinners don't get better than this. For episode 34, we served up a Harry Potter twist on the traditional haggis recipe. I won't put you off by telling you what goes into traditional haggis again, but this one is much easier for you to make and for you to find your ingredients. Once we had our filling, we then turned it into sausages, which we shaped into lightning bolts. Haggis is also served with Neeps and Tatties, so we created a quick and easy recipe for those too. episode 35, we continued our Death Day party adventure with a cheesecake disguised as a mouldy wheel of cheese. This vibrant yellow dessert might look a bit off-putting, but trust me, it tasted incredible. For episode 36, we celebrated Nearly Headless Nick's Death Day with a Tombstone cake. We stacked this one high with buttercream and then covered the whole thing in fondant to transform it into his tombstone. All that was left to do was finish it with a personalised message, and then our tombstone cake was complete. For episode 37, we served up another cake illusion, this time for a rotten salmon. We used some of the leftovers from our tombstone cake to create the skeleton, and then added on a head and tail too. A few bits of fondant decoration go a long way to bring this weird rotten salmon cake to life. You'll go nuts for episode 38 as we served up Hogwarts house-inspired coated peanuts. These are so easy to make but add a nice twist to the classic snack. Gryffindor had some Mediterranean vibes with paprika and garlic. Slytherin spiced up South American style with chili and lime. Ravenclaws took us east with these teriyaki-inspired peanuts. And then Hufflepuff rounded off the whole meal with some sugar-coated peanuts. Episode 39 was our own homemade Polyjuice potion. This one was packed full of green fruits and vegetables, so as well as transforming you into someone new, it's also great for your insides. And then this Monday we served up another potion, this time for Skele-Gro. And again, we tried to add in some natural muggle magic. So this is packed full of fruits, yogurt and milk to make sure you get a nice balance of calcium and vitamin D. After this, your bones should be stronger than ever. So there you have it, 40 recipes in the bag and still plenty more to come. Let me know down below in the description which one has been your favourite so far. That's all for this recap, but if you want to see more from my Harry Potter kitchen, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell, then you'll get an alert on Monday when there's a brand new recipe. That's all for now, but I hope you have a great weekend and I'll see you then.